Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy our course using your store card, right? That's great news. Now, instead of saving money, now you can buy using your store card, and then you can just pay your card on a monthly basis. And then while you're learning, right? So now you can use your store card to invest in yourself, right? If you have credit in your store card, now you can invest in, in yourself using your store card instead of going back to the shop and buying anything that you don't need, right? So now, how to buy our course using your store card. First thing first, you need to contact us directly, either using our WhatsApp number, email, Instagram, but everything's going to be in the link. It's going to be in the description below, so that you can be able to contact us, and then so that you don't get scammed. And once you contact us, we're going to send you an invoice. This is how the invoice is going to look like. So you're going to have a logo on top, and then it's going to be the course name and the price. So this is just a demonstration. This is not the normal price for our advanced course. So I'm just showing you guys how you can buy our course using your store card. So once you land on this page, what you do is you need to enter your email address or your phone number so that we can be able to see that, okay, cool, you made your payment, right? And you also can be able to have like a proof of payment on your side. So in this example, I'm going to be using the YVNT email address, right? So there we go. I don't have a store card, so I won't be able to continue with the process, but I'm just gonna show you like which store card do accepted, and how to get to the point where you just like do like a few clicks and then you're done, right? And then you can start learning with YVNT. So let's click on continue. So once you land on this page, as you guys can see, your email address or your phone number is going to be there. And then this is going to be the total amount. And then this is where you're going to be able to choose your store card. So you click on store cards, RCS. And then these are all the store cards that are accepted by RCS, your game, Makro, builders, Capital Mart, All Khaki, and more, right? If you have all of these, if you have one of these store cards and you're interested in buying our course, you can just use your card to buy our course, right? So here you enter your card number, right? You enter your card number, and then they're going to send you an OTP on your phone, and then you're going to enter that OTP on the website, and then your transaction is going to be successful. We get the payment on our side. You get your proof of payment on your side, and then you have access to our course, and then you can start learning. Simple as that, guys. If you have any questions, you can just drop them below, and catch you guys on the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe.